the coconut palm of the tropics, has been known as the tree of life because it's a fertile source of food, fuel, and fiber. But it's part of the husk, a byproduct for some, that's fundamental to the exclusive hydrocore technology of Rainsoil, a groundbreaking new product which holds many times its weight in water and empowers growers like you to retain your rain.
We developed Rainsoil from the ground up. It started out with just us knowing of these ingredients that retained water, that were all natural from the earth.
And the added value in the Rainsoil mix is a combination of nourishing earthborne microbes and minerals that will even bring dirt to life.
We are determined to not add any chemicals to this product because the earth can supply us with everything that we need.
Rainsoil has proved its worth in successful field trials on a large-scale sod farm and seeding a suburban lawn, both under extreme conditions in America's Mojave Desert.
And I thought there's no better way to put this to the test than to try to grow grass from seed in the middle of the desert in my own backyard. It was a few days of germination before I was able to start to see green, probably 3 days, no more than 5. And within 9 days, I had grass that was almost ready to be mowed. Within 2 weeks, it was completely ready to be mowed, and I mowed for the first time.
But Rainsoil's ultimate torture test for making the desert bloom came at Cowboy Trail Farm in Las Vegas, Nevada. With its organic ethic and wide array of growing methods and plant varieties, all in spite of its setting in a land of little rain and poor soil.
We use no chemicals here. We grow in-ground all the variety of vegetables and herbs, and we have several different greenhouses as well. We also do tropical plants as well as hydroponic. We get 2 inches of rain, if at that, a year, so it's very dry. We hardly get any humidity. So it is a very challenging region to be growing in. There is no nutrients in our soil, none. So we really need to amend the soil prior to gardening here in the desert.
Which means trucking in tons of soil and taking chances on its quality.
I did buy a large quantity of soil, and they told me there was quite a few nutrients in it. And what I found out when I had a soil test done was that it was high in sodium. It just choked my plants.
But thanks to a life-saving partnership with Rainsoil that gave her farm a chance to survive, then thrive, she became a true believer.
Put the Rainsoil in and boom, within days, and I literally mean days, not weeks, not months, things just changed around and things started greening up and growing prolifically. Just beautiful. So it was an amazing result that we got here, right here on our farm in the desert.
It's one more important discovery in Rainsoil's search for the perfect all-purpose amendment.
So we have a live place where we're using actual plants that people are actually going to eat or eat the fruits or vegetables from. And then we also have a facility where we do research and development because constant improvement is a very important thing for us.
And that's in keeping with the earth-improving principles at the core of Rainsoil's philosophy.
I mean, eventually we'd love to feed Africa. When you're thinking lofty goals, we would like for this to be able to be the product that removes hunger from the world.
But Rainsoil is also practical about making those far-reaching changes one farm, garden, greenhouse, and nursery at a time.
If you can fertilize a lawn, you can grow grass using Rainsoil.